Welcome back my dear friend. My name is Naim, and today in this video I'm showing you how you can make $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing. But before that, if you new to on this channel, hey, my name is Naim. In this channel I teach people how to make money online and start your own online business so you can get more freedom to spend time with your kids or travel the world with just your laptop and internet connection. So if you interested on this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So welcome to my screen, and now I'll show you step by step how you can make $1,000 a day using affiliate marketing. So first of all, I want to share with you a website called Amazon. Amazon is one of the most popular website for affiliate marketing. So we need to type in Amazon and then Amazon. So welcome to Amazon.com website, and now we need to find is our one of the high ticket product for promote this product and sell this. So we need to go to this menu. So we need to go on menu and search for a popular niche and find a best product, for example high ticket products. So I am choosing right now is called technological okay, electronic products. So we need to go that, and then they have a subcategory called accessories and supplies, camera and photos. So I think I need to go on camera and photos. Guys, this is a live. I am showing you step by step live how you can make $1,000 a day. So we need to choose the high ticket product. For example, we need to choose on minimum $200 and maximum $1,000, because that's the main rate of high ticket. You can choose more, this depend on you. But now I am here, we can see they have a product called wireless home security camera. The product price will be $350, and they have 229, 306, 324, $499. So I think I need to find big ticket, high ticket products. So for example, we need to choose so we need to choose on Nikon 3500 DSLR camera with AFP 1855 megapixels. So I am click on that, and we need to do is, guys, get our link and then promote with our traffic. How we can find traffic with no money, free. So here is the product, the camera Nikon, and we need to do is, guys, review this product on YouTube. So you can say that, Naim, I don't want to make video, how can I promote this? You can promote this. For example, you need to go on copy this product name, and then we need to go on YouTube. So for example, I search YouTube. So here is a YouTube. So we can paste our product name, and if I type space, as we can see here, the product review, tutorial, video test, photography, Canon T7 unboxing versus 5600 video DSLR camera versus Canon T6. So here is our related keywords for upload this product. So we need to go is guys review this product review. So my page is loading. So we can see here there have a lots of suggestions about this product. We need to go is filter, and then we need to go is Creative Commons. Creative Commons means guys, for example, this is the official video of Nikon. So you download this video and then you upload them, so they don't strike you. Why? Because you promote this product and they also become profitable. So as you can see here, there have a lot of Creative Commons, you can use them. And then so here is a Creative Commons videos, you can use these videos and YouTube don't strike you. Okay, so as we can see here guys, we need to do is guys, first of all download this video, and then we need to upload our channel. So I don't waste your times and showing you how you can make YouTube channel and upload that. So I need to just show you how you can do a keyword research for this particular product. So as we can see here, we need to I am going to right now is YouTube search bar, and then I need to type, I am typing right now is page. So as we can see, this product all related keywords show up on Google search engine, show up on YouTube search engine, show up on YouTube search bar. So we can see here Nikon 3500D review, Hindi, video, Malayalam, in Tamil, photos, video, 2019, Indonesia. So we can copy these keywords and then paste into our uploads text bar. So we can do about this topic. So we can make the this video and then upload that. Finally when you get traffic, you get a $100 commission, $200 commission, $500 commission, and then finally you get a $1,000 commission. This is a free method guys. So if you're new to this channel, so if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now and turn on the notification bell.